So, you want to be like Sam Fisher from Tom Clancy's Splinter Cell. You've got an F&H 5.7 pistol, but you need a couple more things to make that happen. What's the first thing that you need? A threaded 5.7 barrel. Check. What's the next thing that you need? A 5.7 rated suppressor. Finally, what's the last thing that you need? How about some factory Subsonic 5.7x28 SB193 ammunition? Ooh, that's going to be quiet. So I've had my F&H 5.7 USG for a little while. Since I got my 22 suppressor last year, I've been dying to buy a threaded barrel to suppress this. So I finally got off my butt and ordered one. There's three major players that really offer a threaded option for the 5.7. There's EFK Fire-Dragon, there's Jarvis barrels, and there's Tornado Tech. They weld an extension onto your factory barrel that's threaded. I ended up going with the EFK Fire-Dragon. These are offered in 10 by 1mm right hand thread with a 1-in-9 twist barrel. You can purchase these direct from EFK, or you can actually purchase them through a couple retailers. I bought mine from Elite Ammunition mainly because they do a polish on the chamber, and they offer the threaded adapter as well for purchase. EFK does include a 10mm threaded protector. There's their logo. Like I said, EA does a really nice job of polishing the chamber. This is a MK2 compatible barrel. The notch right there indicates so. This will work in the MK2 and USG. If I had to nitpick one thing, it would be that the wrench flats, which are 13mm by the way, are not parallel with the gun and or do not sit perpendicular. So they kind of throw the look off just a little bit, but it's really not anything too concerning. I would gripe that Elite Ammunition does not include a 1/2-inch threaded protector for the threaded adapter, but those are like $4 from EWK Arms, so I'll end up picking one up from him. My Kestrel 22 threads on there just fine. The factory raised adjustable sights see over the suppressor just fine. So now that I've been yapping for a couple minutes, I know you guys came here to see. You guys came here to see me shoot factory SB193 out of this 5.7. So let's get into it. Here we have our FN 5.7 with our EFK Fire-Dragon threaded barrel, EA threaded adapter, and our Kestrel 22 suppressor. We have 3 rounds of SS197, 3 rounds of American Eagle TMJ, and then 3 rounds of SS195. Camera's about 3 feet from the gun. SS197 first. We now have 2 rounds of SS197 followed by 2 rounds of SB193. That is the factory 55 grain subsonic load. Now I'm going to shoot 4 this way, and then I'll move the camera in front of us. As a special note, SB193 was never designed to cycle the 5.7. It's only designed to cycle the P90, so if this doesn't cycle, that's why. that splinter cell quiet. Camera is now in front of the gun. We just have 1 round of each this time. Here's SS197. Here's SB193. Here we have our Osprey 45 and our FN Five-seveN. 3 rounds of SS197, American Eagle TMJ, and SS195. Shooting to a dirt backstop. Camera's about 3 feet from us. Now we have 2 rounds of SS197 and 2 rounds of SB193. That was quiet. Pretty quiet, and the Nielsen device on the Osprey helps cycle the Subsonics. It's pretty neat. So there you have it. Suppressed Five-seveN. I probably put about 75 rounds through this setup so far. Haven't had any issues. Obviously the subsonic rounds are going to have a point of impact difference depending on how your gun's sighted in from your point of aim. I wouldn't recommend shooting any of the faster SS195, 198, or any of the EA stuff through here because you get a lot of blowback in the shooter's face and unburnt powder you get peppered with a little bit. But the American Eagle TMJ and the SS197 did really well. The SB193 obviously was the best. Too bad it doesn't cycle on the 22 suppressor, but it did on the Osprey. So there you go. SB193 through a 5.7 suppressed. You saw it here first. Thanks for watching.